Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. I got the right angle right now so you can see that there are no bubbles or anything in this screen protector. Took about maybe an hour or so for it to fully seal up nice and tight. This comes in these packages here. This is a front and rear screen protector setup from rhinoshield. Just comes in these little packages right here. You get a little squeegee and you get a little thing in there to remove dust. But this screen protector is a little different than what I'm used to. It's that I normally would use a tempered glass, but I gotta say, after using this, and I've used this kind before, but not at this type of quality. This is really, really nice. So this is a very thick plastic, but it's still thin. The touch sensitivity on the phone, it's unlocked there with the facial unlock, is the same. It's absolutely nothing wrong with the touch sensitivity on the phone. No problems at all. Everything looks really, really solid. I'm just not having an issue with touch sensitivity. It is actually really, really good. So from all points. Now the screen protector goes all the way to the edge just about, and leaving room for if you have some kind of case, which is the rhinoshield case, leaving room for you to put that on. Now they did send over a back shield as well. The back shield obviously is cut out for the camera and the LED and the fingerprint reader. And the back is the same thing. Give it about 30 minutes to an hour after you put it on. It should seal up and all the little bubbles and stuff should be gone. But if they don't, just let it sit a little longer. I really, really like this screen protector actually over tempered glass. And I told you it's because it's a really thick plastic and it bends really easy, really nice. And I think this is probably one of the best setups I've seen as far as these plastic screen protectors. This is not the normal plastic screen protector. This is a very thick, durable plastic screen protector. So this is a good setup here from rhinoshield. So I appreciate rhinoshield sending over the screen protector and the case combo. But this screen protector works very, very well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Just go to rhinoshield.com and you'll be able to get yours as well. Take care.